Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. I greatly appreciate it. I hope it's a nice day where you are. I have another Stitch Fix. I'm tired today. Tired. Now this is round 2 of me doing the unboxing. I never put my card in. I'm like, where's my unboxing? So this is a Stitch Fix. Comes all packaged in here. You know, try to keep everything neat. So I have all the clothes here. There's been no try on. It was just, did the whole unboxing. I was like, no. So you get a return USPS mailer for anything you don't love and you would like to send back. And you get an invoice. And this should be Fix 101. Still have Sarah Beth right here. So I'll look at that later. And you should put that up here so that it doesn't get lost. The paper can go. I'm just going to take everything out. Ooh. I know there was one item that I was like, oh gosh. Ew. So let's start with this. Right here. So it's a double. You can see the two sides. Cute little like crossbody. And this is from, I think it was Market and Spruce. The Nora crossbody bag in indigo, but it's a nice like blue for denim, as you can see. Like if you wear, and I wear all denim in the summer. Like it's a nice mix to go with denim, which there happens to be some denim. No pocket in the back, but there is a nice zip in the front. Here's the lining. So it's a nice deep, like up to my wrist, but you can zip or unzip no matter what side of the bag you open, because there's two, which is nice. Shoulder strap looks decent. And nice braiding on the poles. So when you open, here's the interior, like big interior. Back wall zip. Oh, it has a dust bag. I didn't notice that the first time. Nice and big. It has like your little, nice little pocket. And you can see the zip on the back wall. The center is sewn together, so it's like a secure pocket in the center. Great for maybe like a wallet, something you want to keep under control. But nice big bag. I didn't even see that. It was towards the bottom, so that's not bad. Depending on the price, would be perfect for now. And you could use this all year round. But nice shoulder drop, and it definitely feels like leather. It doesn't feel fake. I don't know if it's leather. It smells good. So that's kind of cute. I do like that. I don't need a handbag, but that was kind of cute. And I don't have anything like that color. And I like the front. You can open no matter what pull you use. This way, like if you put like sunglasses in there or glasses and you take them off, you're not fussing which way to open it. It just will open both ways. I like that. All right, since this one's over here, we'll do this first. Poppy and Grace trouser, short, indigo, size 8. Right here. Nice. Here's the back. Are they real fake back pockets? The only thing that I don't like is this right here. It's not, usually jeans are straight down, so this could pucker. And it's white interior, so when you sit, that could pucker. It has an elastic waist background in the back, which will give it some ease. They look kind of cute. She just got down to get a drink. So right there, these, when I did it the first time, I was like, no, I'm not even going to try these on. I'm going to tell you right now, these would never land on my body. Market and Spruce. This is Sage mid-rise 7-inch short in red, size 8. No, I'm not a fan of red tops. I think I own 1 or 2. I mean, they do have some give, and these are the same way. It's like that, like a dress pants slash pocket. Interior on these is all red, so you wouldn't see it. Are they fake or real? Real back pockets, which I would leave sewn closed so that they don't, get bulky. I mean, they're cute. I know I won't wear them, and I'm not even going to try them on because I don't like red, and that's a bright red. Now, if they were like a brick red or like a burgundy, maybe, but not a bright red. No, that's not. not for me. The next item is Market & Spruce. This is the Sandy Seersucker button down blouse, blue medium. I think I had them send these too because I was just curious if these would be better. So it's just, you know, your button down. And this is a V-neck button down. And you can see the material. I mean, that's kind of cute and lightweight for the summer. You know, if I'm try to fold that nice. If I'm in the house, you know, and I have leggings on and I don't necessarily have shorts on, that would be kind of cute. And I did like this one probably more. And this is Flag and Anthem Bell Rose shirt, light green, and this is a medium. So this is, you know, a true button down all the way, rounded hem. This one has some tucking in the back, some, you know, right here gathering. This one's kind of sheer because I just held that up and I could see my camera. I don't know if you would see anything. And that's, you know, all the way button up. Where this one is a V, it doesn't start till further down. So not horrible, not great. Pocketbook is there. They're the 5 items, and I'll be right back with the try on. Okay, there's a couple things here. Indigo is which is which. So these are Poppy and Grace trouser short in indigo, size 830, $8, which is not a bad price. I don't mind this. There's denim inside the pocket. I think the fit is good, length is good. The back, having the elastic is nice. It gives you a little bit of room. Plus, it doesn't allow for the gapping that sometimes jeans or jean shorts can do because the elastic kind of brings it in. These are actually very comfortable. You can see where my hand falls, and the shorts are way down. Could I cuff them if I wanted to? Yeah, you know, if I don't want them that long, I can put a cuff on them. But I wanted to show you, you know, I have denim shorts on today. Like with denim, this, even though it doesn't match, but it still gives you the theory of denim. I don't know if I'm going to unwrap the strap unless I think I'm going to keep it. But that is adorable. Just going to put that there. I don't even think I'm going to try these on, if I'm going to be honest with you, because I know I am not keeping them. There is wonderful stretch. This is a this type of closure where you have your 2 eye hooks and your button to secure them, just like a dress trouser would. You know, my dress trousers have that same, you know, double hook and then the button just to keep them closed. These are really nice, belt loops, stuff like that. I know I will never wear them, and I'm not even going to try them on. They can just go right back to switch next. Oh, it's almost knocked. Pull my heels down. That was not good. But these are nice, so I'm thinking about these. And those red shorts are $58 from Market & Spruce. No, that's not going to happen. So let me come back and I'll leave these on and we'll try a blouse on. So I have the Flag and Anthem shirt on, light green medium, $35.97, not horrible price. I try with these, like I have a few, I really do. I love a collared shirt. The sleeves are perfect. You know, the button down, it's nice. It's not overly long. It's, you know, it's more room in here than it is here, which doesn't bother me. More than likely, you can see the length. It's kind of long. I don't know if I would wear this with shorts. I would think more, for me, more legging. I would tuck it in, like if I had dress slacks on and I just wanted to be kind of dressy with casual mixed together, like a nice trouser on with like this kind of top and like sandals, or, you know, or a flat, you know, a nice flat or a wedge or something like that, or just anything for the summer. They're cute, they're breathable, the seersucker. I just don't know how much use I'm going to get out of it. I will try the light blue one on, but I just honestly, I'm on the fence. I like them, like they are so comfortable. I don't feel anything on me. I just don't know if I love them enough to keep them, and they're fairly priced, $36, $35.97. So let's try the light blue one on and see if that one wows me. So this is Market and Spruce seersucker blouse, button-down blouse in blue, medium, $45. So it's a little more pricey. They're both the same brand, right? I don't think so. I think one is one brand and one is another. Because they feel, yeah, that's Flag and Anthem. This one actually feels better on. So we still have the collar that I love and the V, which is nice because you don't have to worry about buttons or staying open. It just will lay nicely. This one actually feels nicer, a little more room in the hip. I like the color too. I mean, you can see, there's the back. I don't know. I like this one more. I just have to decide. Yeah, the price is more money, $45. How many wears I would get. Now, could I wear this into the fall? Yeah, the material probably not so much because seersucker is usually a summer weight. But if I had a cardigan on, what's the big deal? I mean, it's no different than me having a t-shirt and wearing a cardigan. So I could get wear throughout the year, but I might do better color-wise with that, with the green than the blue. But there's no, like, specific color for a season, I think. I mean, whites and maybe yellows, and if you like oranges and things like that, they might be more spring, summer. But I would wear a light blue. I think I have a light blue sweatshirt, so I wear that in the winter. And I would just put a cardigan on top of this, and with leggings, this would be perfect because it's definitely long enough to cover anything that you want to cover, you know, girl parts, with leggings. So this one, you know, sleeves are about the same, but this one actually just overall feels better on me personally. So not sure on that. So give me a minute. I'm going to put my own top on, and I'm going to take a few minutes and think about maybe what I'm going to keep or if I'm going to keep anything, and I'll be back and let you know. Okay, so this is my 101st fix. Sarah Beth is still my stylist. Not bad picks. I think I only picked the two tops. Excuse me. And the other items, you know, they chose. Box, subtotals $234.97. Buy 5 or more, save 25%. I would save $58.74. I have a $20 styling credit. Box totals $156.23. Not horrible with 2 shorts and 2 tops and then a handbag. Honestly, as much as, you know, the $58 red shorts are a big no. Like I said, I didn't even try them on. Not my thing. The crossbody, I like it, but it's also $58, and I don't think I want to spend $60 on a handbag right now. I mean, that's Market and Spruce. I could go to Michael Kors or Coach and the outlet and spend $60 and get a bigger name brand of a bag. I'm not real big into crossbodies. I like that one. It's got lots of room. My wallet is a full-length wallet, so it would have to stand up instead of being down. And I like it when it fits straight down. This way, I don't have to pull it out. I can open it up inside my handbag and pull out my credit card or debit card or this card or whatever money. I like that much better. So I'm not sure about the bag. The blouses I'm going to think about. I like them. They feel wonderful. They'd be great for the heat and humidity. I would consider if I kept them, because they're not badly priced, $35.97 and $45. I mean, that's not horrible. I don't know. I would consider them. I'm going to do a little bit more thinking on them. The one item that I am going to keep, I do believe, is the Poppy and Grace denim shorts, $38. I think that's a good price. The fit was good. They were comfortable. They were roomy with the elastic waistband. No gapping, and they just felt so comfortable. Like these, you know, these ones are too big. First of all, these are too big. But sometimes you get the gap in the back of the short. But with a little bit of that elastic in there, it hugs your body more, but still moves with you. I'm just going to have to, the slash pockets I think will be fine. I did sit, and you really only see a little bit of the denim. They're not that tight that they pull. They fit me, fine. I have a little bit of room to play with in there so that they're not snug. Length is good. I could cuff them. So they are a strong possibility to keep. And I'm going to think about the shirts. So I'm going to probably say no to the handbag and definitely no to the red trouser shorts. But the others I'll consider. Let me know your thoughts. What should I keep? What should I send back? What, did something look better on me than a previous item, like between the two tops? If you only could keep one, which one would you pick? Things like that. So I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye for now.